Nhắn chụp sống à? Cô mà cô tôi chẳng khởi chụp bà nó, đó gì? Thế mình nhỏ nó mà có thật tiền. Ô, cô sinh rồi dùng đó sợ. It's okay. Yeah, throw in here. We need to burn everything.
Even all the sticks. I cannot even die.
What are you doing? You got a bazooka.
Daddy, why do you have this?
That's oil, gasoline.
Dad, remember this is a pool we know to, and we use it for the pool.
Really?
Yeah, we actually use that for the pool.
I don't remember that. Look at Ethan. What is he doing? He's going around and pick up all the stick.
Alone.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so big.
Oh, the fire is getting so big now. Oh my God.
That is burning.
Kesuke, go find a long stick and push those on the side into the fire pit.
Okay. Dad, help me too.
No, just find a Kesuke over here, Kesuke. Right there.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Push it in.
Is that a good one?
How about this one? This one?
No, that one's too flexible. Are you bazooka? What are you doing?
Like this?
Yeah. That one too.
Oh. Daddy, get it.
Oh no! Pick it up! Pick it up! Kesuke, pick it up!
It's gonna burn me.
It's okay, just leave it there.
Oh. Daddy, what did we do with this?
Let me see that one.
Okay.
Shh. Sheesh. You so slow, that's why it fall down.
Hey, Daddy.
What? That one, leave it over there. Leave it back over there.
I'm gonna leave it like this.
Yeah, just leave it there.
It's not cover your face because it's gonna burn your.
I'll try to pick it up, okay? See if I hope it doesn't burn my hand though.
Be careful.
Yeah. Ooh. I think I can still pick it up right here. Ooh. Woo. Oh man, there's still a lot of piece left. Ooh, it's so hot. I think that one we throw in the trash. Ethan, bazooka. Anh cả tao nó mang có theo liền. Dù nói phân chi tao nó chơi lấy chăm họ lì thế. Gì tao nó giống mong á. Sao tao nó là giống mong thế. Hay gì tao nó là giống mong thế. Ai da. Ethan, what the hell? Why you throw that in there? It's not supposed to burn.
Isn't that gonna burn?
No, we're not supposed to burn it. No,
it's melting.
I know, because that's plastic. That's what happened when you burn plastic. It melts.
We still need it?
Yeah, no, you see now all the smoke is black. That's not good.
Not the smoke is not.
It is, the smoke turning black. You don't see?
I don't see it.
You don't see black?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. That's what happened when you burn plastic. We only burn wood. That's like đông hả?
That's what happens if plastic is burned?
Yeah, it turns black and then it makes the environment bad.
Daddy, why do we still need it?
Need what?
That.
No, we don't need it. We're supposed to throw in the trash.
There was fire on it.
Huh?
There was fire on it. I was like, ah! Okay, can I try? Okay, here.
What you got doing?
Oh, we're just trying to make this.
I need more steak. The fire's dying.
Okay. Let's get some more fire. You have me eat that.
You don't put that steak in there. Over there. Push the steak inside.
What? It's so long.
Push the steak over there.
Stick?
Yeah, right there.
It's that
Casca, push the stick inside.
the stick?
Yeah, you see the stick?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Giờ của tôi này giống một bữa đó là hai luôn của nó là chó này. Ơi 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 ơi.
Just leave it like that. Hey, can I have it? Oh my god. It's there. That's it.
It's in, huh?
Yeah. Watch
Good.
the fire. Oh, careful.
Ethan, what are you trying to push?
That.
What?
That's it.
Everything is in already. Casca, put that away and go get more steak.
What's it? Okay.
Yeah.
Master, can I have it, please?
No, Ethan, go get more steak. I need more steak.
It's getting run out.
Look everywhere.
Ooh.
Yeah, throw in here too. I think that's a cardboard.
Yes, careful.
It is? Good. Oh my god, it then found a super long stick.
You can put it in.
I think that's the biggest stick in the whole world.
No, that's the biggest thing.
That's a tree.
No, that's a stick. Hey!
Oh my god, you got always bazooka. Always throw stuff not in. Cascade, don't play around, just throw a stick in there.
It won't fit. I'm doing it like this. It's gonna fall out.
Throw in there, in the middle, halfway in. Yeah, like that, yes.
I'm just gonna do like this. They
Huh?
cover your glasses because it's burning.
Glasses?
Yeah, your glasses, like the color.
Oh, it's gonna be dark. You can't see anything.
Okay.
Ethan, the bazooka? What are you doing over there? Are you looking for the biggest steak again?
Yeah. I'm right here.
We don't have any big steak.
Hello, Dad.
Hi. Ethan, what are you doing? Why you leave the stick in the fire pit? Oh, anh nào mua của chọn đông đau tí lọ đấy, cho tốn. Còn mình chia tỏ tên nó nè. Anh em mua cái của chọn đông của mót, ôi bay tỏ hả đấy. Cho tỏ kích công. No way, he went to steal my stick over there. Ethan, you went to steal my stick over there.
Dad, how
Uh-oh.
did they dig the hole so fast?
Because it's strong. Stop digging, Cascade.
Wow.
You don't need that.
Hi. It's my turn. I want to take this out.
I know, to chưa. Khỏi mà mua lú choi.
Mommy.
Nên hơn sai của tan. Luôn đã nói hơn nhà lú. Oh.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Okay, it's done.
I'm not mommy.
Let's just put that in.
Ah,
Me.
yay. We.
Mommy. We. She keeps calling us mommy.
She call everyone mommy. She's crazy.
Sometimes daddy.
No, I never heard that before.
I heard it.
She only call mommy.
She called me mommy all the time.
Yeah, but you're not mommy.
Mommy.
No! You stop calling me mommy.
Mommy.
No! Ah, Ethan, huh?
Wow, you're a happy face.
Huh?
You're a happy face. We.
Stop playing around, Cascade. You're not playing with that.
Daddy, why is there's no more
No more.
of these?
Throw in that. I don't need that anymore.
We don't need it.
Nope. I only told you to push it one time, not for you to play like that. Ethan, you found some stick.
We're gonna put it in. Good. Put the fire. No. I'm gonna put this.
Did you notice that the stick getting shorter and shorter?
Yeah, she don't know this.
Because you keep burning it?
Yeah. She's like, what's going on? It just sit down.
Uh-oh. Có xong kìa.
Why?
Hả?
There's one more stick.
Có xong kìa. Con kìa bắt tổ. Mình sẽ lấy một tổ nó nè. Ah, I'm not mommy.
Let me go this way. It's gonna burn me. Oh, I don't know.
Ô, nó một quả hai món lươn cho cá lọt tỏ đùa rồi. Ôi trời, tao luôn. Ê, tỏ nè, mà lý trọ nó sợ. Mà lý nhất tỏ nó ơi. Hả? À. Mà lý nó tỏ tiêu. Nên nó là tỏ tiêu của sao lắm. Hãy mình cả tỏ bố ấy mỏ cho mà lý nó, mà lý thế không có lò. Mình cả mà xe rong ấy. Ethan, you look over there. You see a lot there. Over there. Right there. Over there. Ethan, look over there. There's a lot there. Cascade, over there. A lot there. Look. Look. How many? Ethan, did you see the deer? 7? That's a lot. Hello, deer.
Mommy.
Ethan, did you see the deer?
Yeah.
You don't care?
Let's go cook it.
Huh?
Let's go cook it.
I don't know what you're saying.
Let's go cook it.
Let's go cook it.
Yeah.
How about you catch it first?
How about shoot it?
You don't have a gun.
How about burn it?
You catch it, and then we can do that. You crazy boy again.
I had to make the fire bigger.
Let's go. Come on, let's go home, huh?
Hello, Dad. Hello.
Let's go home. Come on, let's go home. It's cold. Thằng kia của mà lấy tôi giờ trong lòng nó. Cũng mới cho chúa lò quấy bằng nó. Cũng tôi muốn nó mò, cũng tôi mới cho giờ nó to tỏ nó. Cho tỏi con nó. Cũng mới dạy tà. Nó nào cũng chắc. Chúa cho tàu lửa o để tàu khỏi nó đuổi nè. Để thắc cùng nó mua hải sống thế mua đông cái lông to xong ta là của bé luôn chỉ ta của thế là cho trẻ của ta là ping pong là ta rồi này đâu thì tiêu lấy mình gọi tình ha đứa ta come on let's go
Well, I need to burn this.